finds a gap to Iniesta, and then Suarez lets it run, and Messi maybe didn't quite anticipate it. Chance in there though for Messi.
Look at this pass, there's no space there. There's only Messi in this stadium that saw that pass on. He was just unlucky, it didn't come back on his right foot. It was a beautiful pass to Iniesta.
There's 3 goals on him.
Certain players, you say, oh, it's good to see him.
Into Messi, even in the crowded midfield he manages to find a bit of space. Now with Hazard, this false 9 as they call it, not go with either Olivier Giroud or Alvaro Morata. Here's Messi. It's Messi! Oh my goodness.
It doesn't matter when he's around. Place it where you want.